A local nonprofit taking a bold step today to increase the amount of affordable housing here in Oklahoma City.
And they're using a futuristic construction company to make this happen. Our Evan Onstad here in studio with us. And Evan, Catholic Charities saying they hope this is just the beginning.
Right. These are just 12 units taking up a tiny postcard of land in Stockyard City. But the impact here could be quite large. And we were there today as these 6 lower units were put into place today. Catholic Charities, which has a long history of helping people find affordable housing, says 2 weeks ago that was just a patch of grass. And by the end of September, there will be 12 units filled with renters ready to go. That sort of speed is possible because of the type of construction. These are modular, prefabricated homes built by a company called BOXABL in Las Vegas. The executive director of Catholic Charities says that these will help in a specific area.
Our case managers help people acquire emergency housing vouchers, which last for 6 months, and they think they've won the Willy Wonka golden ticket. Sadly, most of them expire before they find a place in which to live. So 10 of our units will be accessible to those who have emergency housing vouchers.
The other 2 units will go towards transitional housing for women coming out of the Sanctuary Development Center, which is next door. These are small units, only 375 square feet, but they come loaded, and the little pocket neighborhood, that's what they're calling it, will have a common green space and outdoor gathering area. And they hope others see this succeed and then copy what they're doing in other parts of the city. Guys?